friendly people. Welcome back to the vlog. Starting this one off at 10:30 p.m.
Adventure time with TC.
10:30 p.m. on a Sunday night, which is actually 1:30 p.m. Tokyo time.
Correct.
And that is why we're up. You guys, we had big plans. We each took pre-workout.
Really nailed it.
To go to the 24-hour gym that we're members of, because we're trying to adjust. We're trying to flip over to Tokyo time before we get there, which we leave in 2 days. And I was like, oh, let's just have a late night gym session so it keeps me awake, especially me. So we took pre-workout, we got to the gym, we walked up to the doors, and they're closed. Like, even for 24 hours, they're closed for like a deep cleaning. What are we gonna do now?
I'm gonna finish my pre-workout.
And just chill on the couch?
I guess. You can go for a run if you want.
A run?
Yeah.
Where?
Outside, it's cold.
Yeah. It's minus 32. I'm not going for a run outside.
This was motivating enough just to be here at the gym in this temperature. It's really cold.
Honestly, I was really looking forward to this workout.
I was looking forward to the sauna. I love the sauna. After a good workout, the sauna is my reward.
Frick. Okay, well.
Till next time.
Stay tuned. Okay, it's 8 a.m. Tokyo time. So this is technically our breakfast, even though I've been up all day. We've both been up all day. But I'm trying this strawberry matcha milk. It's like a viral drink. I've seen it on Instagram and stuff. It's got those balls in it. Like those boba balls or bubble tea that people are obsessed with. I don't know. I've never had bubble tea before. Chad and I were talking about this. I don't know if I like those chewy gelatin things. It's weird. The flavor's good because like the strawberry and the matcha is good, and it probably gets better as you shake it up. I don't know if I'm a fan of the bubbles. The like gelatin part.
She don't like the balls in her mouth.
We're gonna try and stay up late again tonight. We're gonna go back to the gym tonight. Hopefully it's open.
Better be.
And they were closed again. So we're still trying to turn over onto Tokyo time ahead of time. So we'll think of a few different ways of trying to stay up tonight, I guess. Because I only made it to, which is like 6.
I think it's like 12:30.
12:30,
yeah.
Which would have been like 6 p.m. Tokyo time or something. So
yeah.
Not great.
Try again.
Try again tonight. We did manage to stay awake though. It is 3:30 a.m. and I have been editing the 𝗃𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀 Mexico vlog, which has been keeping me up. And I just want to say, if you go back and you watch the 𝗃𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗀 vlog, it is quite negative. There's a lot of negativity in it, but it's really just our honest experience. And sometimes when you're traveling, like, it's not all glorious. It's not all what it's cracked out to be. And, you know, it's still life. Things happen. So we still had a great time. Mexico is Mexico. It's always fun. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just getting my SIM card, my eSIM, ready for the trip. So I need, I'm on HOLAFLY. It's who I've used every country that I went to last year. And I do have a referral code for some money off. I'll leave in the description below. And I'm gonna buy it for Japan because we are staying in Tokyo, but for a couple days we're going to Kamakura. And just to be sure that I'll have coverage there outside of the main center, I'm going with the Japan card rather than the Tokyo card. So you just enter how many days you're gonna be traveling for. We're gonna be in Japan for 7 days. Okay, so this comes to $40 for 7 days of unlimited data. Pretty good. So I'm just going to check out. So I'll install it. They recommend installing it just hours before your trip, and then you can install it with the QR code or manually, and they send these instructions to your email and to your WhatsApp. Then there's a little video here as well. Okay, this is our third attempt at trying to get a workout in.
I mean, Tokyo time.
Yeah, so we fly tonight is the night we're finally going, but it's 5 a.m. in Tokyo. It's 2 p.m. here. So we're gonna get a workout in, run some last minute errands. I'm more tired now than I was like the last 2 nights going to the gym.
Fuck the gym.
No. Delayed before we left for the airport, so we are still at home. And we just ordered a pizza because we were like, well, we might as well just eat here. Everything's gonna be closed in the airport by the time we get there tonight. So we ordered a pizza. I did return the library books. What's your best packing tip?
Put stuff back. Don't take it all.
Oh, okay.
We're going to a cheap country. Buy some stuff when you're there.
Anything you forget, you can always buy.
Correct. So I'm gonna bring 1 pair of swimming shorts and then just some nice shorts to wear.
Okay.
I'll buy some more. Need an update here.
Some trunks?
Yeah.
Books. We finished packing everything. 2 backpacks and a tote. Got gas, pulled the batteries out of the car because they're gonna be sitting for a month, and it's really cold out. It's minus 30 something. And now we just wait. We have about 1 more hour, and then I think we'll grab an Uber and go to the airport. Hopefully no more delays, and we can just get this show on the road. I am feeling very tired. From us trying to adjust to Tokyo time the last couple nights. It will make it easier once we get there. So, but yeah, I'm feeling tired. It's about 7 o'clock at night and I want a coffee. We fly to Calgary first and spend the night. And then we fly to Tokyo tomorrow. Long haul flight. Saskatoon, eh?
Yep.
Just crushing one of these. No yegg. Well, first night in Japan. And we're in bed at 8:30 and I got my face mask on. So tired. This is just like our first night in Mexico. We did go to the hotel restaurant, one of the hotel restaurants, to eat dinner tonight, and it was very good. We had a plate of sashimi, which was amazing, and then Chad got a beef dish and I got udon noodles. And then we went for a little walk, but came back to our hotel room quickly because we are bagged after a super long travel day.
Not just a travel day, we travel into the future.
Yeah, we traveled into the future. 10-hour flight from Calgary and a 2-hour bus ride from the airport to our hotel in Yokohama. We're staying at the Westin for a couple nights. It's lovely here. It's amazing. And our room is really nice. And so is the bed, and we can't wait to go to sleep.
Facts.
Yeah, good night. first part of our trip here in Japan, we are staying in Yokohama actually. We were up super early, hit the gym here in the Westin, which we always love getting an early morning workout in, especially like day one of vacation. I think it just helps set the tone and your body clock. It helps adjust to the different time zone that you're in, which we are 15 hours ahead of Saskatchewan. We did a little bit of shopping today. We had breakfast at the hotel, then went to a mall and did a little bit of shopping. And now we're back, just grabbed a coffee. And I thought that I would give a room tour because they did upgrade us, which is so nice. And we have a beautiful view of Mount Fuji, which we did not know until this morning when we opened the shades, and we could not believe it. What a treat. What do you think, babe?
I think this place is ballin'. I like Japan. I like how quiet and calm and clean and tranquil it is. It's beautiful.
It is so quiet everywhere we go.
I've never experienced anything like it.
And then of course we got the Japanese toilet, which is warm and has all these fun controls on it to keep yourself clean. And that's that. Look at these shoes.
These shoes? Do you even know what a tie shoe is? Is it your first time?
Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure it's strawberry season in Japan. They're supposed to be like absolutely delicious. Yep.
Delicious?
Way better than ours. It's like way sweeter.
Nice.
So this was like $3.50 Canadian.
Cool. That's cheaper than ours for sure.
Want to try one?
Okay. Feed me.
Okay. He took it all.
Even the leaf's delicious.
Two lovers in Japan.
Have any boogers?
Nope.
Okay, good.
After spending our first day in Yokohama, walking around, checking out our area by the hotel, and doing a lot of shopping, we decided to take advantage of the hotel's many amenities on our second day there and relax as we had a big trip ahead of us. So we used the pool, the saunas, the steam showers, the spa, and then the lounge on the 42nd floor for cocktails, where we took in a beautiful sunset and ended our evening by ordering room service. To Kamakura tomorrow, which is south. It's a coastal area, coastal town. I don't remember exactly what the town is called. FUJI or something. Anyway, we're staying in an Airbnb for one night down there, and we'll take in some beach life. It's not like it's hot, but it'll be nice to just be by the ocean. And then back straight into Tokyo after that for a few nights.
That's probably a quarter mile.
Sick.